Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to our study session. There are just some clarities for the or clarities about order of determiners in a noun phrase. Again, this is just gonna be a quick discussion. There is a quick rule. Again, predeterminer, core determiner, post determiner. So those are the three types of determiners. I mean order. So when you say pre, that is supposed to be first. Then core is the main, and then the post is yung pinaka-last na. Again, quick review lang. Predeterminers, it always come first. Express quantity and distribution. For example, all. Ibig sabihin quantity, ilan. Meaning all, lahat. Both. Distribution, silang dalawa. All the students, both the choices. Hindi pwede na the students all. Always mauuna yung example, mga ganitong words that express quantity and distribution. Dito tayo sa core determiners or the main determiners. So, alam nyo na yung articles, di ba? An, a, or the. Tapos possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her. Itong possessive names hindi natin na-discuss in the previous video. So, again, included po yung possessive names like John's, 'di ba? May apostrophe S. Yung may mga apostrophe S or apostrophe lang. That it's a name that shows possession. Okay? So, pag may makita kayong ganyan, example, John's several books. So, ano napansin nyo sa John several books? Ito, example. John's several books. So, John's is, ano siya? Is it called predeterminer or core determiner or post determiner? It is a core determiner, hindi predeterminer. Hindi porket nauna siya, tinatawag natin siyang predeterminer. It is actually a main determiner. Wala lang kasing ganito, all, both, mga ganyan na words. Kaya, in-skip na natin. We're just going to be specific that John has several books. Okay? Excuse me. So, alam niyo ng demonstrative, mga this and that, always yan nauuna kapag wala tayong mga predeterminer. Indefinite, some, any, each, every, another, ito, nasa taas, neither, enough. Yan. Indefinite determiners yan. Why? Because it doesn't express any naman. Hindi nag-express ng quantity kung ilan or sino ang meron. So, indefinite means it is specific. Example, some, uncountable, kumbaga, some, any, kahit sino sa kanila, ganyan. So, you're not specific. Sa last naman, post-determiners, alam nyo na yan. Cardinal numbers, mga amount, come after determiners. Indicate quantity, order. It also indicate quantity and order, no? But, pag may makita kayo ng numbers or ordinal numbers, like first, second, third, those are post-determiners. So, let me give you an example. Ayan. All my 3 red books. All is a predeterminer, right? My is a determiner. It's a core determiner. Actually, it's a possessive determiner. Yes. 3 is a cardinal number. Plus adjective plus last na yung noun o yung pinag-uusapan natin. Okay? That's how kung yung adjectives may order, ito ding noun may order din po. So, ito, both, this is a predeterminer. The is an article, also called core determiner. Old is an adjective. And house is the noun. So, yan lang po. Just take note that predeterminer, the main determiner, yung mga article, possessive adjectives, possessive noun, demonstrative like this and that. Pangalawa na po yan. Unless kung wala tayong predeterminer, mauuna sila. Sunod yung mga possessive name like John's, kay Mary's, may mga apostrophe S. And also, yung mga noun na may mga apostrophe S. And then the last is the post determiner, yung mga number or quantity or order like first, second, third. Yan. So, yun po. That will be all. I think, I hope this helps. Kasi nakalimutan natin i-discuss yung included yung mga possessive name. So, that'll be all. Thank you for studying with me. Bye-bye. See you soon on another video.